Good morning, team, and good morning, Bullitt County. Today is Monday, and Monday certainly does matter. I was reading over the weekend about a story of a group of waves, and uh, yes, waves in the ocean. And one of the waves became very observant to what was going on and was very mindful of things occurring around it. And it noticed that all the waves in front of it were crashing into the shore, and it started to get very concerned. It became very worried, and it started to ask its colleagues around it, and it said, "Hey, aren't you all concerned about what's happening here? All the waves ahead of us have been crashing into that large body of land, and no one seems to be concerned." And one of the colleagues, very calmly, very cool, very collectively, simply stated, "We're not just waves, we're part of the ocean." I can't help but to think about that simple message and its reminder that we're part of something bigger than ourselves. In the Department of School Nutrition, we're asked to do many things, and our purpose is much bigger than ourselves. And this is certainly something that we could not accomplish alone. Now, think about that life of the wave, and as it crashes into the land, that's not the end of the story. That wave simply gets absorbed back into the ocean, and it continues to serve its same purpose. Now, if I'm a small section of water and I'm part of the ocean, my main purpose is to just be a part of that volume, so that the creatures in the water, the life in the water, has a place to live and a place to prosper. And I'm just a small section of water that's part of the masses. And then one day, my director, my creator, comes along and says, "Hey, you as a small section of water, I'm going to ask you to do something different today. You're going to be a wave today, and you're going to coast down all these miles. We got to embrace the ride." Right now, as a department, we're being asked to do something we've never done before. This is our wave, and we got to embrace it, and we got to ride it. And when this thing crashes at the end, it's not a sad story. It's not the end of the story. It just means that as we reach land, the ride is over. We get absorbed back into the ocean, and we continue the purpose, but we return back to a normal state. Now, that doesn't mean there's not going to be storms and there's not going to be rocky waters. No. But it means that the wave is over. That experience is over, and we will return back to some normalcy. But for the time being, team, I'm asking you to embrace the ride. Embrace the wave, because you and I, we're part of something much bigger. The purpose that we serve is great, and we certainly can't do it alone. Mondays matter. So do you.